welcome to Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today we will discuss about class 1 English worksheet about part 2. About part 1, it is already there in my channel and link already I have shared it in my description box. You can go and you can have a look because these worksheets are really going to help for your kids for their exam preparation. Now let's start the video. Fill in the blanks with I, see, it or he. Now we have to use this and we have to fill these blanks. So the first one is dash am Parag. So here we have to use I am Parag. Pavan is a good singer. Dash sings sweetly. So Pavan is the name of a boy. So we have to use here he. He sings sweetly. This is Mr. Gupta. Dash is a teacher. So Mrs. Gupta is woman or you can say it's a female. So we have to use C. C is a teacher. This is a rainbow. Dash has 7 colors. It has 7 colors. Next one is fill in the blanks with we, you or they. So we have to use we, you or they. The first one, Dash must come for the party. You must come for the party. Next one, Dash are waiting for our bus. We are waiting for our bus. Dash are sitting in their own garden. They are sitting in their own garden. Circle the correct boxes. I am Suman. See, I study in class. So the correct one is I study in class 1. Next one, my grandparents live with us. We love me very much. My grandparents live with us. So the correct one is they love me very much. My father is a doctor. She goes to hospital daily. So my father is a doctor. He goes to hospital daily. My mother is a teacher. She teaches English. My mother is a teacher. She teaches English. I have a cat. He is white in color. I have a cat. It is white in color. See, we are a happy family. We are a happy family. So the correct one is we. Next one, correct them and rewrite the sentences. So here I have written some wrong sentence. So you have to correct it and you have to write it in a proper way. Raman and Raghav are best friends. We study and play together. So the right one will be Raman and Raghav are best friends. They study and play together. So you have to write here Raman and Raghav are best friends. They study and play together. Next one, this is Amita. He loves dancing. So Amita is the name of a girl. So the answer will be she loves dancing. This is Amita. She loves dancing. Next, this is Karan. It is a good child. So the correct one is this is Karan. He is a good child. Rasi has a pet dog. She has a long ears. Rasi has a pet dog. It has a long Ears. So here you have to match and write, we have to match with the vowels. So the first one is a box, a kite, a chair. Next one, an apple, an orange, an egg. So you have to write here a kite, a box, a chair, an apple, an orange, an egg. Use O to complete these words. So we have to put O and you have to see what words is coming. MONKEY, monkey. BOAT, boat. Here also GOAT, goat. Doctor, DOCTOR, doctor. Donkey, DONKEY. Next one, BROOM, broom. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition from the box. So here I have written some preposition like over, on, behind, in, under. The first question is, the fruit basket is dash the table, on the table. My ball is dash the bed, under the bed. There are chocolates dash the refrigerator, in the refrigerator. The fox jumps over the wall. The cat is hiding behind the tree. Next, fill in the blanks. You have to see this picture, you have to observe it, and here I have given some helping words like I am dash and dash. I am red and juicy. I grow on trees. My tree has dash leaves, green leaves. I have dash seeds. I have many seeds. I am an dash. I am an apple. So this is all about worksheet for class 1 about part 2. About part 1 it is already there. I link already I have shared it in my description box. So if you find this worksheet helpful, then please give a like, share and subscribe to Somna Kids World for more worksheets and concept related content. Thank you for watching this video.